morning, students. So today is Friday, October 2nd. I'm sorry for posting this so late. Our objective is I can understand the beginning of an absolute true diary of Parttime Indian. Your agenda is that you're watching the screencast. You're then completing the survey, which is closing at midnight tonight. You're then reading the absolute true diary of Parttime Indian, chapters 1 through 10. After that, you're answering Parttime Indian chapters 1 through 10 questions. So the first thing that you should do is complete the Google Form survey. So basic questions, you're answering your first name, last name, all of that stuff that is pretty typical. After that, I have an announcement. I'm changing my posting schedule. So you should see this video and you watch it. And then you're going to answer these questions about how I'm changing the posting schedule. And then you have your check-in questions. A lot of them are repeats. The one that is new for this week is how long do you typically spend on my classwork? Please be honest, and I'll use this information to continue to improve my teaching and continue to improve my course load. Just tell me in general how long you're spending per day on my classwork. After you complete that, you're then going to read the absolute true diary of a Parttime Indian. So you'll open up this and you'll have just those select chapters in this reading. So this goes from the first chapter to chapter 10, and that's all you're reading. I'm also going to post the full book on Google Classroom as well if you want to continue reading. Please make sure that you are reading this and giving yourself time to read it. The work that I'm posting Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday will be based on the reading. So if you do not start reading it today, you will not be able to complete the work for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So please start reading it. And you will have a quiz on chapters 1 through 10 on Friday. And then for your chapter questions, the first thing that you have is definitions. So you're going to look up all these words using dictionary.com. And you're just going to type in those words and copy down the definition. Then you're going to answer the chapter questions. They are in order of the chapters. So just go through the list as you're reading and answer the questions. Please respond to each question using complete sentences. That's very important. We're in 9th grade. We should be using complete sentences. It is part of your rubric. So the rubric for this assignment, you get 3 points if you complete the survey. If you leave sections blank that shouldn't be left blank, you're going to get a 1. Vocabulary, if you're defining all the words correctly and you're using dictionary.com, then you should be fine. If you're using a different dictionary, you're going to get the words wrong, so please do not do that. And then for questions, if you're leaving questions blank or not answering them in complete sentences, you're going to get points off. So please make sure that you're following all the steps that I'm providing in order for you to get a perfect score.